was that? Whose problem is it?
Sir Aditi.
Aditi. Okay. So Aditi, यहाँ पर हमें length और breadth ये दोनों given है already. It's 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and then there is a dice, a very small dice, which is being tossed, which is being rolled on this rectangular sheet of paper. Now it is taken into assumption that the dice will not fall outside this paper. It will be completely inside. So that means the total possible outcomes related to this, that is NS, will be equal to the area of rectangle. And what is the formula for area of rectangle over here? L into B, 30 into 40 equal to 1200 centimeters. Now in the first part, what is the value of E given? That it falls inside the circle. The dice falls inside the circle. Now, if the dice falls inside the circle, that means the boundary for it, that is the area that within which it can fall, is this much.
Yes,
This
sir.
is a favorable outcome, this whole area.
Yes,
So
sir.
NE1 will be equal to the area of circle. And area of circle is pi r square, which is 22 upon 7 into 10 into 10. So 2200 upon 7 centimeters square. So PE1 equal to NE1 upon NS. So this is 2200 upon 7 into 1200. 2 6 are 2 11 are. So this is 11 upon 42. Clear? Is the first
Yes,
part
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Now second part. Second part E2. What is E2 here?
Sir, land outside.
Land outside the circle. So outside means not inside, right? So
Yes, sir.
PE2 means PE1 not. That means 1 minus 11 upon 42 equal to 31 upon 42. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Those who missed it yesterday, please note it down. And some of you did not attend the class yesterday. इसमें तब तक record कर रहे हो ना? So today's recording I'll send, but some of you missed the class yesterday. So please try it out, and those,
Yes, sir.
that is when you come across some problems, please ask. Tomorrow also we'll continue with probability only. So whatever your problems are, please make sure that you ask each and every problem, because next test will be of only probability. And I will not stick to the first impression. I'm looking forward for a better second impression that you leave. So I'm waiting for that.
Sir, done.
Okay. Now someone was asking 27th question.
Sir, please till question number 26 also.
26 also. Okay. 26. Two dice, each bearing number 1 to 6, are rolled together. If we roll two dice, the possibilities will be
36.
Hanji beta, I'm telling 26 only. This is 1, 1, 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, so NS will be equal to 36. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers on the uppermost faces of the two dice is 4 or 5. That is, the number is either 4 or 5. Sum of the numbers. E1. That is, sum is either 4 or 5. So sum 4 कब आ सकता है यहाँ पर? When can be the sum 4?
Sir, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1,
5
4,
कब आ
2,
सकता है? 1, 4, 2, 3,
2,
3,
3,
2,
3, 2.
4, 1. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And E1 equal to 7. PE1 equal to 7 upon 36. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So any other part that you want me to tell you, that you need me, you want me, जो भी है यार अब. So any other part?
So
Yes,
please.
Aditi. हाँ जी बेटे, हाँ जी.
So fifth
Fine.
part.
Fifth part. Sum is less than 6. What is the minimum sum that we can get on a die?
5.
Minimum sum.
So 2.
2.
That means the sum can be either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Because less than 6 है तो 6 को include नहीं करेंगे. तो अब sum 2 किस पोजीशन में आ सकता है? Only 1 1.
1 1.
Then 3 will be
1
1 2 2 1.
1
4 will be 1 3
1 3
2 3 1. 5 will be 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. NE5 is equal to 10. So PE5 is equal to 10 upon 36. That means 5 upon 18. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 27th. Yes, next 27th. Shall I change this?
Sir, please
Yes.
wait.
Okay. Let me know, please, when you have done it.
Sir, done.
Sir, done.
Now 27th. 27th is 3 coins are tossed together. Write all the possible outcomes. 3 coins are tossed together. So the sample space will be
H H H
H H H
H H T H T H
H H T H T H T
T H
H H
T
T T
T
H
T T
T T H
T
T T
H
T.
T H
THT and HTT.
T H T and H T T. Total of 8 possibilities. N is equal to 8. Now, see what goes wrong in these questions is the wrong understanding of at least and at most. So we should understand this properly. That is the meaning of at least and at most. See, first part. First part is exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads. तो कौन से इवेंट्स इंक्लूड होंगे इसमें जिसमें एग्जैक्टली 2 हेड्स आ रहे हो? H H T
H T H T
H T H and T H H. NE1 equal to 3. PE1 equal to 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now second part. At least 2 heads. Now what's the meaning of this? At least 2 heads. नॉर्मल शब्दों में मतलब आसान शब्दों में एटलीस्ट
So
2
2
है.
or more than 2.
2 or more than 2.
2 और मोर देन 2 मतलब 2 से कम नहीं होने चाहिए, बस ज्यादा कितने भी हो जाए, मिनिमम 2, राइट? यही होगा ना मीनिंग?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो शैल आई इंक्लूड ट्रिपल एच?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
इट विल बी इंक्लूडेड कि एटलीस्ट 2, कम से कम 2 होने चाहिए. 2 से ज्यादा कितने भी हो सकते हैं, यहाँ मैक्सिमम ट्रिपल एच. देन एच एच टी एच टी एच टी एच एच. Any other part to be included?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So NE2 equal to 4, PE2 4 upon 8, 1 upon 2. I hope it's clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Now third part. Third part is at most 2 heads. E3. E3 is at most 2 heads. Now what does this mean? At most two heads.
So not more
Literally
than
क्या
less
होगा?
than or
Not
equal
more than
to.
two. Less than or
Maximum 2.
equal to. Maximum two. Okay, two से ज़्यादा नहीं बस. Maximum two. So can we take triple H?
No,
Yes,
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
HHC can we take?
Yes.
HCH we can take. THH we can take. What about triple T?
So yes, we'll include it.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
include it. But इसमें तो head है ही नहीं.
Sir, we will not include.
So because
Sir,
it's
but वो कमी है लेकिन 2 से.
yes, sir.
Exactly. It has zero heads. Zero is still less than two. So triple T will be included. Right?
Yes, sir.
जिसको कंफ्यूजन हो प्लीज मुझसे अभी डिस्कस कर लो. मन में नहीं रखना. जो प्रॉब्लम है प्लीज पूछ लो. आपको समझ? Have you understood this?
Sir, can I please explain again?
बेटा मैं वही तो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था. जिसको नहीं समझ आया प्लीज पूछ लो अविश. और आप भी नहीं बोलते बेटा. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा अविश? चलो देखो
Sir,
ध्यान से देखना. कोई नहीं. चलो. At most two heads. At most two heads means not more than two, right? Not more than two. तो two से कम तो कितने भी चलेंगे, है ना? यस या नो बोल दो तो आसानी लगती है कि हाँ चलो भाई
yes,
हमारा
sir, sir,
डिस्कशन
समझ गया.
हाँ जी. तो अब ट्रिपल टी में जीरो हेड्स हो गए. जीरो इज स्टिल लेस देन टू, है ना? So that is why triple T will be included, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the remaining parts now?
Yes, sir.
चलो ये पार्ट जल्दी से कंप्लीट करो. बाकी पार्ट्स होमवर्क. Let me know please when you have done it. Done.
Yes, sir.
So in the last part of this question, sir, can we do it like it is given at least one tail? So sir, we know that it is only one outcome which is coming all H. So sir, can we directly do it? Or
Right, like what?
like sir,
That
this,
means
there is only one outcome which is all H. The first one that we do.
no. At least one tail means that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 outcomes will be there, not just one.
Yes, sir. So, so we'll include only that the first, we'll exclude only the first outcome. So we'll get
Earlier you were
7.
saying include na, Hanji bete. Earlier you were
Yes,
using
sir,
the word include.
yes, sir. So my tongue.
That way.
So, sir,
Hanji bete.
so can we directly write 7 by 8?
Yes. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
For the homework, 29th for the homework. My favorite question, my personal favorite, 30th question. One of the most important questions. देखो अब आपकी मार्क कर लो 30th, 31 and 38. 30, 31, 38. These three are the most important questions from this exercise. Now this says offices in Delhi are open for 5 days in a week, Monday to Friday. This question has so much to understand. Conceptually, it has so much to understand. So offices in Delhi are open for 5 days in a week, Monday to Friday. 2 employees of an office remain absent for 1 day in a same particular week. That is, in the same week, they remain absent for 1 day. There are 2 employees, and both of the employees are absent only on 1 day. Find the probability that they remain absent. So ये हमें सारी probabilities find करनी है. First of all, let's try the sample space. Please listen to this thing carefully. Monday. What does this Monday mean?
Sir, same day.
That means that first employee is absent on Monday and second one is also absent on Monday. Then it may be possible Monday, Tuesday. What does this Monday, Tuesday mean?
So
So that the first one is absent on Monday, the second one is absent on Tuesday.
Absolutely correct. Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Thursday, and Monday, Friday, right? Then it can be Tuesday, Monday. What does this Tuesday, Monday mean? Say Tuesday, Monday से पहले आ रहा है. What does this mean?
First
First one is
So the first
absent
one is
on
absent on
Tuesday.
Tuesday and the second one is absent on Monday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Tuesday, Friday. Or Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 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 Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. Or Thursday, Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, 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 Friday. Or Friday, Monday, Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Friday. अच्छा ये Friday, Thursday का मतलब ये तो नहीं कि Friday, Thursday से पहले आ रहा है.
No, sir.
No, sir.
क्लियर है ना? सबको इस सैम्पल स्पेस का मीनिंग क्लियर हो गया. दैट मीन्स जो कॉमा से पहले वाला है वो फर्स्ट एम्प्लॉय के एब्सेंस जिस दिन वो एब्सेंट है उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, और कॉमा के बाद वाला सेकंड वाले एम्प्लॉय के जिस दिन वो एब्सेंट है उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है.
Yes, sir.
E1 is that they remain absent on the same day. What are the possibilities that will be included?
The Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Friday.
How many possibilities?
5.
5.
What will be the value of n as?
Sir, 25.
CE1. 5 upon 25. 1 upon 5. Right. Now, second part. Second part is that they remain absent on consecutive days. Now, what does this consecutive days mean? What does this mean? Consecutive days?
So one after the other.
One after the other. Monday, Tuesday, will it be consecutive?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tuesday, Monday in the second row, will it be consecutive?
Yes, sir.
In the same row, any other consecutive pair?
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Then
Wednesday, Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Thursday.
Thursday,
Then?
Wednesday.
Then
Thursday, Friday, and Friday, Thursday.
Thursday, Friday.
And Friday, Thursday.
So how many possibilities?
8.
8 upon 25. Now the last part, third part is they remain absent on different days. Can we say different as not same?
Yes.
Not same. That means even not 1 minus 1 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Is the last part clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Explain again the last part.
Last part is mentioned E3 as different days. Now different obviously means not same, because same हम already find कर चुके हैं. So not same will be 1 minus. So इसमें 1 में से minus.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good.
Please explain the second part again.
Second part is consecutive days. Consecutive day means exactly one after the other, like Monday and Tuesday. Because this Monday Tuesday means that first one is absent on Monday, second one is absent on Tuesday. तो consecutive हो गए ना. Even Tuesday Monday is consecutive because the first employee is absent on Tuesday and the second one is absent on Monday. तो एक्चुअल में वीक वाइज अगर देखें तो पहले मंडे ही आएगा. यहाँ पर ये बस एम्प्लॉय को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, बट होगा तो ये भी कॉन्जिक्यूटिव, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Then similarly, same row में Tuesday Wednesday will be consecutive. Wednesday Tuesday, Wednesday Thursday, Thursday Wednesday, Thursday Friday and Friday Thursday. ये सारे consecutive आ गए.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please explain the third part.
Third part is different days. Different means not same, because same is 1/5. So not same will be 1 minus 1/5, right?
Okay, sir.
Come on, be quick.
Sir, done.
Now look for question number 31. A box contains some black and 30 white balls. There is this box which contains some black balls. We don't know how many black balls are there. And 30 white balls. Some black, because we do not know the number of black balls, so X. And remaining white, and 30 white balls. So S will be equal to X black balls and 30 white. So NS will be equal to 30 plus. Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, sir.
यहाँ पर mention और कर देते हैं, let the number of black balls be X. Now, what will be the probability of getting a black ball? That means number of black balls.
X upon 30
Number
plus.
of black balls upon total balls. Black balls are X, and this is X plus 30 or 30 plus X. Probability of getting a white ball. Number of white ball upon total number of balls. White balls are 30 upon X plus 30. Is this clear? Is this much clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, according to the question, because straight away mentioned है, if the probability of drawing a black ball,
Excuse me,
probability
sir.
of, हाँ जी,
So can you please repeat what you said after sample space, sir? I was not able to hear you.
after
Sample space.
sample space. So after sample space, it is probability of getting a black ball. Total black balls are X. So probability of getting a black ball will be X upon X plus 30. White ball will be total of 30 balls are there, so 30 upon X plus 30. Now in the question it is given that the probability of getting a black ball is 2/5. 2/5 means 2 upon 5. The probability of getting a white ball. यहाँ इस कंडीशन को समझना ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Have you followed this as per the question?
Yes, sir.
Probability of getting a black ball is 2/5 to the probability of getting a white ball. Right? Black ball is X upon X plus 30. 2 upon 5, white ball is 30 upon X plus 30. 5 1 5. अब आप मुझे एक छोटी सी चीज ये बताओ, is it possible to cancel X plus 30 by X plus 30?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, we cannot. अब ध्यान रखना प्लीज, ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम डिटेल में क्वाड्रेटिक चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे.
सर
अभी आप-
क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन.
हाँ जी, अभी आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो. जिस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी हो दैट कैन नॉट बी कैंसल्ड अक्रॉस, उसको हम आमने सामने कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते। जिस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी हो उसको आमने सामने कैंसिल, दैट इज सॉरी आमने सामने मतलब ऐसे, मतलब आमने सामने ही होगा ऑब्वियसली, और क्या होगा, तो आमने सामने कैंसिल नहीं कर सकते, राइट? क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what will we do? We cross
Cross
multiply.
multiplication.
X into x plus 30 is equal to 12 into x plus 30. X into x plus 30 minus 12 into x plus 30 equal to 0. X plus 30 common आ गया, x minus 12 equal to 0. X equal to minus 30 और x equal to 12. Can x be minus 30? Number of black balls minus 30.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Possible ही नहीं है. Therefore, x equal to 12. The number of black balls is equal to 12. Is this clear? यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप था ये वाला, where we have not cancelled x plus 30 by x plus. आपको रीजन
Sir,
भी
if
क्लियर
we
होना चाहिए that why are we not doing that. हाँ जी बेटे बोलो.
sir, if we do cancel it, sir, then also the answer is coming same only.
See, it's not only about the destination, it is also about the road taken, है ना? We expect stepwise marking, so we मतलब you as students expect stepwise marking, so we as teachers expect steps from you. So it is not just the answer, but the steps also that you follow. Got it? 100 लाने हैं ना,
Yes, sir.
तो बस रिस्क नहीं लेना है. एग्जामिनर को मतलब चांस नहीं देना है कि वो आपका आधा मार्क भी डिडक्ट कर सके.
तो सर अगर हम डायरेक्ट काट देंगे सर मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे?
नहीं, मार्क्स मिलेंगे लेकिन पूरे नहीं मिलेंगे.
ओके सर.
मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड.
Please explain this question again as your voice was cracking at that time.
Okay. Right now, in this question, it is given that there are some black balls and 30 white balls. So total balls will be x plus 30. We obtain the probability of getting a black ball. We obtain the probability of getting a white ball. Now, in the question, it is given that probability of a black ball is 2/5 that of a white ball. So black ball की probability put up कर दी, white ball की probability put up कर दी, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
पुट अप करने के बाद, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वेरिएबल्स है, so we cannot cancel it across, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर x की वैल्यू फाइंड कर ली. नाउ बिकॉज x रिप्रेजेंट्स नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स, तो इट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव, तो वो पार्ट हमने रिजेक्ट कर दिया, राइट? so therefore x is equal to 12. ये स्टेटमेंट लिखनी भी कंपल्सरी है, that number of black balls is equal to 12.
Okay, sir.
Done?
सर प्लीज वेट.
Yes.
सर डन.
Shall I change that? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
मैसेजेस मिल रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो होंगे बेटे आप लोग को मैसेज आ गया मार्क्स का? नहीं अभी. हाँ जी अभीश,
Yes, sir.
मतलब देख भी लिया आपने?
No, sir.
Now look for it. Question number 38. Last question. A box contains a certain number of balls. We do not know how many balls are there. Some of these balls are marked A, some are marked B, and remaining are marked C. That means this box of balls which is given to us, this contains three types of balls. Marked A, marked B, marked C. Right? Clear? Three types of balls. A, B, and C. When a ball is drawn at random from the box, probability of getting ball A, that is PA, is given out to be 1 upon 3. PB is given out to be 1 upon 4. What is the total probability? Maximum probability?
The one.
One.
Can we say that PA plus PB plus PC is equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus PC equal to 1. PC equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Is this clear?
Excuse me,
Yes.
sir. Can you explain it
Yes.
again?
Anji?
Your voice was cracking when you.
Okay. I was saying that the total probability is 1. So because there are only three types of balls, so PA plus PB plus PC is equal to 1. PA and PB we have already got. We have put up these values. So PC will be equal to, LCM will be 12. This will be 12 minus 4 minus 3. So PC will be equal to 5 upon 12. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
Now it is mentioned if there are 40 balls in the box which are marked C. Number of balls marked C ये हमें given है 40. Find the number of balls in the bag. We need to find out total number of balls in the bag. Is this data that I have written, is this data clear? Total number of balls marked C is given out to be
Yes,
40.
sir.
Yes.
Total number of balls we need to find out. What is the formula for PC? NC upon NS, number of balls marked C upon total number of balls. Now probability of getting a ball C, ये हम already find कर चुके हैं. NC is 40 upon NS. Can we cancel this 5 and 40?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी पीछे कुछ किया था previous question में. Can we cancel across?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We can cancel. Definitely we can cancel because these are simple numbers. These are not variables. Right? So the value of NS will be equal to 96. So last, you should write total number of balls is equal to 90. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
जल्दी से नोट करो. एक क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं, फिर अभी तो 5 मिनट में हमारे पास. ये वाला नोट कर लो आप. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look for which one? Any of the choice? Any preference?
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, may you please explain question number 32 second part?
Question number 32 second part. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Question number 32. From a pack of 52 playing cards, all the cards whose numbers are multiples of 3 are removed. We got 4 suits, diamonds, hearts, clubs, and spades. All the cards which are multiples of 3. That means 3, 6, and 9. Right? Multiples of 3 remove कर दिए क्योंकि maximum 10 numbered card होता है ना, ये तीनों remove कर दिए. Now what do we have to find out? First part. अच्छा, पहले हमने total कितने cards, सबसे पहले n है. Total was 52. We have removed 12. So this will be 40. Now first part, getting a face card. अब फेस कार्ड को रिमूव नहीं किए हमने, तो दैट मींस फेस कार्ड तो उसने किए. उसने हाउ मेनी फेस कार्ड्स इन ऑल?
12.
PE1 12 upon 40, 4 3s are 14. Clear? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now second part, an even numbered red card. An even numbered red card. Diamonds and hearts. These are red cards,
Yes, sir.
right? तो अब इसमें से कौन कौन से कार्ड्स इंक्लूड होंगे? देखो, स्मॉलेस्ट
2,
नंबर
4, 6,
इवन
8.
नंबर होना चाहिए. 2, 4,
4, 6,
8
8.
and 10. 6 नहीं आएगा ना, 6 तो रिमूव कर दिया था ऑलरेडी.
Yes, sir.
So 2, 4, 8, 10 from diamonds, 2, 4, 8, 10 from hearts. So NE2 will be equal to 8.
8.
PE2, 8 upon 40, 1 upon 3. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी.
Can you please explain it again?
This the second part or the whole question?
Sir, the whole question.
Whole question. Okay. It is mentioned that 3, that is multiples of 3 from all the 4 suits are removed. Multiple of 3 will be 3, 6, 9, 3, 3, 3, 3. 12 are removed. Remaining cards 40. First part, getting a face card. Face cards are 12 in all. इनमें फेस कार्ड तो कोई रिमूव किया नहीं है, तो 12 पे 12 रहेंगे, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 12 upon 40. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now second part, even numbered red cards. देखो, जो सारे कार्ड्स के नंबर्स होते हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then king, queen and jack. You remember this?
Yes, sir.
अब हमने यहाँ पर 3 नहीं है, 6 नहीं है और 9 नहीं है, तो इवन नंबर्ड कौन कौन से होंगे? 2, 4, 8 और 10. तो 4 डायमंड्स वाले, 4 हार्ट्स वाले, 8 8 upon 40, 1 upon 5. Right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So now you people try out all the remaining questions of this exercise. Tomorrow we should be able to finish it up. Tomorrow itself I'll give you
Okay,
an
sir.
assignment of probability also, which I'll make you do right in front of me only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you all of you.
Excuse
Thank
me,
you, sir.
Thank
Anji.
you, sir.
Anji.
Sir, can I get a pic of my mistakes that I done in test?
Yes, you will be able to, but you have to give me some time for that.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
ठीक है.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you all of
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.